Welcome to the live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach, who will be doing a live trading session and live analysis. I believe that traders, you are ready for NFP. So today we will see the preparation, and then tomorrow is NFP. So pretty big day. And we had a previous session, there was a trade. Also we had a trade in our previous NY session as well. So this one I would like to see that bringing some very good opportunity. If you guys are ready, let me know so that I know that you are here. We can start big one. Ahumuza Roger, thanks for your generous donation to the chat, to the revenue, so thanks for that. Let's celebrate this 1st September on live streaming. Yeah, let's celebrate that. Thank you for that. Kizito, greetings. Andy, welcome. Suresh, good evening. Good afternoon, welcome. Good morning, welcome back, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning. Greatness, good job, thank you. Thanks for joining the live session. And before I progress further, I would appreciate if you smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Also, there will be content this weekend as well, a big one coming. So I'll be also posting some very valuable content in the channel. So if you are subscribed, then you can access all of them within your fingertips. And let's start with the gold, and then also we see GJ as expected. It just started to break in that direction from this resistance, has come back to the daily support level, and there might be a bounce or might be rejection. We see the dollar yen doing the same thing as with the news coming up. The price on gold also almost to the 2300 again below. And what's your opinion on gold at the moment? I would like to know, guys and girls, what's your thought on gold, because we see that basically gold has really had a very dramatic movement in a couple of days. And from the higher time frame we can see what the market is doing. Now you can see that this is a resistance line on gold, and with this resistance, this is a resistance, and expecting gold to what I think, that if it is not being able to reverse aggressively, there might be even a free fall, as there is NFP coming up. Now looking at the monthly on gold, where we see a bit of clearer picture on the monthly. Now monthly price action, we can see that there is a monthly long wick candle just recently closed. Now as a rule of thumb, the price should be feeling that long wick, but do you think that it's gonna go up like that, or it's gonna break below and then going up to fill that long wick? Let me see what traders are thinking on that. Yeah, thank you very much. Ready? Yes, coach, we are here. Thank you very much. Hello, coach. It's a great day. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. Good sir. Good afternoon. How are you, coach? I'm good. Thank you very much. Welcome back. Hello, coach. Thank you. Welcome. Good morning. Thanks for live session. Yeah, absolutely. Joke. Thank you very much. Okay, so we see that in fact this is a very, very important price action on gold. Especially on the monthly chart, what we can see that from the monthly, there is a support on the monthly here, okay, so which is a very important support level. And in that support, okay, so this is the monthly candle, and there is a long wick at the top. So if you look at closely, what you can see that the price is not being able to break that high. Therefore, we might see a break below and then grabbing liquidity and then bouncing back up. So it's a probability, like that. That will be more balanced approach on gold to go up, because if it is not breaking below going up, then it might not be able to make it through the whole way. But if gold break below and then going up, it will be much more balanced movement. And to happen like that, we need gold to break down below this support level. Now, from the weekly, we see that probability is possible, because previous week we saw a wickless candle with a long wick at the bottom, and this week if you closely look at it, you can see there's a body here and it's a full body and it's trying to break below. We could see that the market, this is the support that we are talking about, which is showing on the weekly, and there is a long wick candle here on gold, expecting for this price to break and then to go up. So there is a probability here as well. Now, daily chart, if you guys remember, this is what we discussed, that after this red candle closed for the price to go up and retest, it did that. At this point, what we can see that the market is in fact rejecting from that level. And let's see the 1 hour and lower time frame. Now here is the key points to look at. In the 1 hour chart, you can see we had a trade early today. It didn't work out here, but it just after multiple liquidity grab, the market has got rejected completely from that level. And with this rejection, if you closely look at it, lower time frame, there is a bit of rejection here. So it's a very this is the lower time frame price action. As the news is coming, let's look at here a bit of and as there is a news coming here. I'm just looking at the lower time frame. We can see that a bit of bullish, lower time frame bullish price action. This might take that price to the upside here a bit more and grabbing more liquidity before it bounces. So here is, you can see back to back 3 long wick candles in that area, and because it's a very strongly falling market, this news coming is important, because the data will give us a bit of clear idea where the market might be heading. So let's see that how the price is reacting in that area. I was looking at the 5-minute chart on gold. This is a very interesting price action here. A bit of reversal price action, little bit, but that might just, I think, that take the price again to the upside for another bounce. So we have around 10 minutes for the news to go. It's important to look at to see So looking at the 1 minute, if you look at, and the 5 minutes, so because there is a news, this move is absolutely important, because that's how we will be able to know exactly what the price is trying to do here. From the 1 hour, there is a liquidity candle followed by this one. If the price is getting rejection from here, we'll be able to see a bit more clearer picture. So let's see how the price is planning for here in that area, and based on that we will be looking for entry. Now looking at the okay, now this price action on gold is absolutely important, because you see this 1 hour candle here is the rejection from the top, and if the price is breaking that level, it might just break below further to this support level. It might come back here. And what's your thought on that? I think it's going to be bearish, retest previous high low. I think it's going bearish to the retest. Yeah, the way price action forming on gold, to me it's still bearish. But good evening to you, thank you very much. 2030, 2032 pieces on, yeah. So 5 minute price action is bull gold. 5 minutes price action, I don't see much bullish here. Instead we could see that it's getting rejection from here, and then ultimately we might see breaking below. So depending on how the candle closing and the news, also important factor. Yeah, it's possible to bounce if we see the data coming in favor of gold. Now this is a support level on gold. You can see this is a support, big move here, has come back down here. There is a predictable reaction from here, but that reaction also will determine what gold might be doing, depending on now how the price action is forming, also important here. So we have only 8 minutes to go for the news, and that's why we'll be able to know exactly what the price is doing. Gold can touch 2327. So you think that upside? Hi coach, good afternoon. How are you going today? I'm good, thank you very much. Gold taking rejection from 2300 EMA. Okay, it seems gold gonna bull by making higher high and lower high 4 hour. Look, it's a long term. If you look at the monthly and weekly, it's bull, but lower time frame we see significant drop, and after this kind of drop, to reject and to create a new bullish pattern, we need to see a very strong news candle, then we might see. But this bounce might bring more liquidity. So this is the intraday time frame. You can see this is the 4 hour candle. Let me draw potential resistance here. This is a very, very important price action at the moment, and it's hitting that level here. So depending on 5 minutes, we see this is a bullish candle, but I wouldn't buy at the moment, because you see that trend. It's a very strong downtrending market structure. So in this kind of downtrend, we can't just buy with a one bullish engulfer, because it's a very strongly bull market and we need to respect the trend. That's the key here, respecting the trend, guys. You see that 70% of my trading decision comes from the trend direction. Not only me, every professional trader uses the trend to trade, to find the trade in the major direction. And you can see that with the last 5 minutes, the market has made a bit of upside here. Now really the news will play the game here, a big game, because when we will see a bit of stronger momentum, we can look for that entry opportunity. If we see the market reversed, yeah, why not taking a bullish trade? But let the news been released, just 5 minutes. We need to be a bit of patience. Are you guys patient? So if you are patient, make sure you stick till the end of this session. There should be some good trade coming along the way. And in the meantime, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up. I see that 121 view, currently only 34 likes. This is less than 17. So I would appreciate if you smash this like button to 50 and then 70 and then 100 before the news. Thanks for that. Okay, now we see that after this move, it's just getting some kind of rejection here. So let's see the calendar, what news coming today, and a bit of preparation for our potential entry. So it's an unemployment claim, so which is very important. Unemployment claims is absolutely important data. And then coming today 10:45 p.m. CAD, BOC will McClem will speak, also very important data. And tomorrow is NFP. So are you guys ready for this one? Because that will be important, because there is a CAD also will be volatile. That will also impact the gold price, because when there is a dollar and CAD together, it becomes really, really important. So lower time frame, we can see a bit of momentum, but I'm still not impressed for a bull move. But if it does, yeah, we will be taking that opportunity. 30 minutes candle is a bit of bullish candle, but I would be very happy to take this trade now if we saw that this is a bear candle, because here the trend is down. Thank you for your support to the channel. I appreciate that. GJ reaching days limit. Will it go up from here? Thank you very much. What's your long time broker, coach? What do you mean by long term broker? So if you are looking to join recommended broker, you can find link below this video. So also I can share with you the link. Let me see. So I've given you the link. You can sign up and then start trading. Thank you very much, Nitala. So I have given you the link. You can click and then sign up, and then you can begin trading with that. So now let's see here guys, here if it this candle is a bit of bullish candle, that might push the price a bit upside. Now if the news is giving a fuel on gold, then we might see, you know, different story. But I don't want to comment at the moment either bullish or bearish, because at the end of the day anything can happen. If the data came to be very negative for DXY, it might fuel gold to the upside. We want to see a bit of volatile market. Okay, gap opening and might be. So what's the data came? So 208k, which is better for DXY. And if we look at the DXY, so looking at DXY sideways so far, might just slowly create a reaction. Here a bit of sideways, didn't move much. DXY, I really don't know why there is a much reaction. It might come slowly, but we see a bit of movement on gold. It's got a rejection from here. Okay, so we see that ultimately it's trying to break below. Okay, so this candle failed, so that might be in that direction. So 1 hour candle still not closed, but that might be, see here, bit of bigger spread. Okay, here what we see, rejection of in the higher price. So you see the rejection of higher pricing. And also due to the CAD, it's gonna be volatile. So the way it is forming potential for downside, I think. Let me see the price action, stop loss getting bigger. I would like to go short on gold. Stop loss above this high, and TP target will be targeting 3 to 1, for now 4 to 1, and later we will be changing. Stop loss will be at 2302.75. And I will be opening in my account as well. So stop loss 2302.75. And TP target 2288.35. So risk. So I have sold gold, and I'll be explaining later the reason behind the trade. So we are short on gold. Now in that zone, a bit of so gold, this is the 1 hour candle, and if this candle is not being able to break that high, expecting gold to return to the downside with a bigger probability. As there will be another news on CAD. There's only a few pips stop loss here. Put a bit tighter stop loss, because if we need to re-enter, we will be re-entering. We want to make sure that we are tight, we have a tight stop loss. And if we look at the 5 minutes, if your spread is higher, you might be able to move a little bit to the upside. So let's say 2303.00. If you move the stop loss a bit higher, will be a bit better. 2303.03. this is the stop loss. And TP target will keep here, because if it breaks down, then we might see that the price is pushing down here. For the time being, it's an unusual model. If we are out, then we will be re-entering. You have seen it. I'm stopped. So didn't hold, so the market might be making a reversal. Let's see what happened. Didn't hold it here, so let's see which way the market trying to be heading here. There's a big manipulation in that area, but we look at the 1 hour. Multiple manipulations. So is it carrying rejection, or it just went out to hold more liquidity? This is what it might be doing. I don't like this kind of manipulation. Okay, so here we'll be waiting for further confirm, because this is a, if you look at here in that zone, you can see this. After this liquidity grab, it just dropped and then has got a strong rejection from this level. So it was just a manipulation. I still think that it might just got another rejection. Because this market is still trending. If we look at the 1 hour chart, let's wait for the BUC to speak. Now do you think that it's gonna reverse from here, or it's just having more liquidity? Because in the intraday time frame from the 4 hour, is still the price in a level where there is a possibility for a rejection in that direction. So depending on how it's doing, still further probability. Futures is gone up for manipulation. This price action is still not showing a very strong bullish commitment, but Okay, now it formed a bullish. There's a back-to-back two dodges with a liquidity grab. I don't consider it still a very strong bullish price action. Let's see how much it is going. Grab another liquidity here, and it's grab another liquidity. So looking at in that zone, okay, so what I will be doing here, I will be opening sell again, stop loss above this high here. So there will be here around, for this trade will be around 28 pip stop loss, and we'll keep the TP target again bigger up to 4 to 5 times. So I'm selling gold again in that area. So I'm short on gold again, and I'm short on gold. What I think that if the price reject with a very tight stop loss and risk management, because this market, this is a very high liquidity zone and it's a falling market. From the 4 hour, the price has retested, so the probability for the price to reject is higher now. But at the same time, make sure you do the risk management. If you are not doing the risk management, then it's it's your responsibility to take care of your trading account, guys. Because I just share my opinion and experience, the rest will be depending on you. Yeah, so I'm short on gold now, running in good profit, because yesterday you have seen that our first trade didn't play out, but the second one did exactly as expected. So depending on, okay, we see it's grab liquidity many times now. As there is some news and expecting gold to have a bigger rejection here. So I'm running in good profit at the moment on gold. Let me see. So if we are right in that approach, we should be able to see that the market is dropping below this support level. Okay, now this 5 minutes candle is, wanna see it's closing. So do you see that multiple liquidity grab? So chances for now to drop is higher. You wanna see that this one is closing as a red bearish engulfer in that area. Trading is like that. You need to be patient. You need to be holding the trade for bigger profit, and you need to stay very patient with your risk management approach and with all the things that's coming along. Okay, now we see a bit of downside here, waiting for a breakdown. The key here is to risk very little and then holding it for bigger profit target. That's the key here. Okay, so it's moving in the direction. Okay, I could put a bigger stop loss in the first trade, but I didn't because I put a very tight stop loss, and because I can re-enter at any time when the market going in my favor. So it created a huge imbalance in that area. So the probability for that price to come and fill that imbalance, so what are we expecting? Looks like that we might see that downside probably. Should I am long on euro dollar? Okay, I say it's down. Okay, so 5 minutes channel. Yep, 5 minutes. We see that 5 minutes that dodgy. This is a, you see there was a very sharp liquidity grab, and then it broken that high again, rejected. So it's a sign of bigger drop potentially, and if it drops, then we should be able to see a good move in that direction. And from the 1 hour candle, this candle is getting rejection from the top multiple times. So there is an order block here. So okay, getting rejection. Are you guys with me? So now we are more profit than the previous one. So that's how you see, when you do the risk management and remain consistent on your approach, this is the right way to trade, right? So I don't want to give a big stop loss and then you blow out your account. Rather, the best approach is to keep the stop loss tight. If it's not going in your favor, then exit and re-enter again when you can see another setup. Okay, that's the real trading system. That's the real way to trade. Okay, you see now more profit than the previous one. So the money is in the market, isn't it? That's what I say, that the money is in the market. You don't have to worry about the losing trade, because it's gonna come back to you again. Okay, now it has got the way this 1 hour candle is being formed. We can expect to have a downside here, and we are in the trade now. Right, guys, now we are running now this trade. We have a stop loss of around 27 pip. Now we are running 53 pip profit, more than the previous one, and it's just pushing down, and we want to take the full. Are you guys with me? Dollar CAD, I will be looking at that. Anyone with me with this trade? Dollar CAD, I will be looking at that. Absolutely. Okay, this is now a massive drop coming. If it drops a bit more, currently I'm running more than 2.5%. Thank you. I mean, welcome. Yes, coach, I'm within profit. Yeah, welcome. I'm with you, gold. Yeah, awesome. Thank you. Yeah, let's keep holding it. Make sure that you. That's what I tell you. Now this one currently running in 2.2 times profit, and one more drop will give us that almost nearly 3 times. But let me see if we need to close or we will be running it in. Yeah, I see that probability for further down. Curry, welcome. Yeah, thank you, Curry. So from the 1 hour, if you look at, you see back to back 1-2 stronger liquidity candle formation. So there is a probability for a break of this support. As you see, the market is trending aggressively, and okay, we see a very good move happening. Okay, so what we can see in that area is now moving a lot in that direction. So I'm running nearly 3% on this. Just moving in that direction. Boom. Keep pushing down. This is a massive one coming up. I'm running around 1600 profit. Now what I want to do, I'm running a very good profit at the moment, so nearly 3%. So I'm going to take now the full profit. Okay, I'm taking the full 3% profit on this, taking full 3% profit. All right, so we are done with this and we'll look for another one. It might keep pushing down further, but wanna take it. Let me know what's your status, and then we'll be looking for another one. Sir, please, what's the direction of the GBP Yeah, we'll be looking at that. Now, the way the gold price after multiple manipulation, the way it has dropped is basically potential for further downside probability. If we need to re-enter again, we'll be again entering. We have seen that it's a big manipulation here, and then it's just started to drop again in the direction. Have you guys taken profit on that? To profit on gold trade, thank you, Mohammed Yusuf. Yeah, welcome. Yeah, I have also taken, and this is where the real trading is. Sigurd, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Just keep pushing down. Might drop further. Thank you. Welcome with your gold. Thanks, coach. Thanks. Great trade. Perfect always. Every trade execution, Mario. Yeah, this is, this is what I was always trying to explain to you. Always when you are trading, you need to remain fully disciplined in your approach, because there is manipulation always, and when there is a manipulation, that no one can avoid it. The only way you can remain consistent on your approach by doing risk management and then holding the trade for bigger profit than your initial investments. Let's say if you are risking $100, don't take profit until at least go over $200 or $300. And that's where the real trading comes in play, because that's how you will be learning and growing as a trader. And that's the main goal here that I'm doing in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. All my strategy now fully risk managed and fully available for the members who are in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. If you want to be also the part of our Forex Trading Wizard Academy trading community, don't hesitate to join us today. There is a link below this video in the description. Once you are visiting the website, just click join now button, and then you will be able to join and access everything that we have in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So link below this video in the description. Once you visit the website, choose the lifetime access where you can learn and grow. Let's keep trading. Today is a very good day for trading because the market is moving. So let's finding another one, and we have secured this one. How many traders secured profit here? Can I know? Perfect always. Thank you. So I see that Mario have secured. Omar took profit. Indian Mala, I booked the profit. Thank you. Welcome. Come out of the trade also. Thank you, K Notes. William, I can close the trade, sir. Yeah, it's up to you, but I have taken profit because I can't advise what you should do with your trade, but I'm just sharing my experience and how I'm doing. You need to decide either you should close or run. But it moved, good move we have taken. It might just keep pushing down again. Book 50%. Thank you. Good trade. Welcome. Yeah, thanks for that. And yeah, let's look for the next one. And before I progress further, guys, if you are wanting to join a recommended broker, if you're looking to join a broker, you can find link below this video. Also, I can share with you the link in the live chat. So just click that link and then sign up, and you can start joining that and trading together. So now let's see here on, if you look at the lower time frame, the volume in the market is good. So see that it's breaking down from that zone. Keep dropping, pushing down. Okay, so we had a big one, and let me see. This is the 1 hour. You can see back to back two liquidity candle formation. So we have seen along the way there is a lot of manipulation and liquidity candle formation. So basically that's the sign that gold might drop further. And if we look at the weekly here, we can see that there is a void here. There is a pure imbalance in that zone. So that imbalance might take gold towards the downside again. It's almost there. A very strong movement happening with the breakdown. So it dropped a lot. So this is a complete bearish price action. Let's just say the pure bearish price action from the 1 hour. And a bit of deeper pullback. Now it might create another possibility. Very strong drop here. It's happening with the GBP JPY. So with the 4-hour candle close, this one also we see a bit of downside. We'll be looking at GJ also. While also the gold looking for another entry. Now if we look at the daily support here on gold, from the daily support the market on an important level. Okay, so it's now pushing high for a pullback. Most likely we'll see candle formation. Okay, we see another liquidity candle formation on the lower time frame. So the volume is a bit of stronger, so expecting to drop further. Okay, so are you guys with me? Now, the way it is heading gold, we might see that continuation of this bearish movement. Now, how far we could see that drop, especially important to see. The lower time frame price action is, there is a consolidation. Now daily, the price on below the daily support, and with that the price on the daily support, and if the price is breaking below the daily support, then we might see that a complete breakdown, and there could be even a free fall here. So this is what we are expecting, because there is a massive liquidity grab here. Multiple manipulation has given a very strong momentum. Okay, book profit, you're welcome. Nasdaq here, thank you very much. Massive trade here. Discipline in trading is very important. Yeah, thank you very much. Well done, well done. Gbpusd, do the account management with profit split. Well, depends. If you are our member, you can discuss on that. Thank you. 4,502 lots. Yeah, good job. Done. Thank you, coach. Awesome trade. Thank you. 2280 support. We see that here. Now we see a bit of pullback to the upside again. Now this pullback might give another momentum for potential drop. It's heading to another liquidity zone. So as NFP coming, tomorrow and today also, we see a bit of good movement. Waiting for, you can see this is the lower time frame. We might see market is, you see that, preparing for another momentum here, and with this momentum expecting for the price to again to return. Here we see a bit of this is from this, or this is on an order block, and from that order block we might see a bit of pullback. From 30 minutes is forming long wick at the bottom. So from the 5 minutes, if we look at, it is basically in this lower time frame. This move, what I see, that it's a potentially another pullback for preparation for another movement in the major direction. Previous trade that in that area. So here we can see that there is a bit of manipulation in that area, and we might see now a bit of downside here from this level, as this is a very important level of resistance. Okay, so we see a bit of unusual bounce in that area. It might give another probability for trading opportunity, I think. Wanna take a trade here. So here, look, there is a sudden bounce here, but that bounce to me is potential for, because if you look at the 1 hour chart, this is a 1 hour resistance zone here, and after this massive liquidity grab, we can see that the market basically has dropped in that direction, and therefore the probability for the price to get back to the original direction of the trend is higher. Now, how the price is trying to restructure here? Because if it is reversing from here, it almost has come back to the 4 hour resistance. From the 1 hour we look at also to the resistance, and 15 minutes was a very important level. 5 minutes also important resistance level. Now from the multi-time frame, the price on a very crucial level here. So I want to take a sell trade on gold from here again. So stop loss just above this high, above all this high, TP target up to this level, so which will be very tight stop loss. There will be around 29-28 pip stop loss. Expecting gold to drop to this support level again, as we can see that there is a bit of resistance here, expecting for the price to revert back to the downside. Stop loss is at 2295.33. Come on, stop out very tight, very tight. We might see now short-term upside here. We might see some short-term upside, but ultimately if you look at the 4-hour, we can see that it just has reached that resistance level, and this is very interesting price action at the moment. We could see again after this retest, expecting it to come back down again. Let's see how far it is going. It's in a very important level of resistance, and so we should be able to see that rejection. Or it's a reversal. This is an important question. Yeah, I'll be selling again. I will be selling short gold again. Stop loss above this high, so there will be around 25 pip stop loss. TP target again to this support level. From this zone, make sure guys to proper risk management. As I mentioned, anything can happen. It might just reverse completely to the upside again in the major direction. So here we see the price from the lower time frame multiple time manipulated. It's a very important level of resistance, and if this attempt is not working out, then will not be opening anymore today. So here I'm expecting now to drop in that direction. Made a late entry in my approach. Okay, so I'm short, and yeah, running profit. So let's take this one. So there will be, if this one is breaking down, then we will be able to see multiple position open. Okay, so we have opened third trade for the day, and if the directional bias is in that direction, we should be able to see again another potential drop. Okay, we are on it, and let's hold it for, this is the third trade. We see multiple manipulation. Okay, now the directionally we see that moving in that. Okay, now this 15 minutes candle, I want to see that closing below. So basically it will give a bit of probability for downside here. Okay, I'm on it. That's a good move. So I'm on it. I'm holding it. All right, we see that it's moving down at the moment. Okay, it's moving down, and We're hitting almost nearly to the TP. So it basically moved up to grab more liquidity. Thank you. You cannot hear me? Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. Great trade, great trade. Yeah, going on. What's going on with the? Yeah, no, we are sell position. We are running good profit now. This third trade, fourth trade for the day. So the first one didn't work. The second one we make a big profit. Third one just for little stop loss. Now this one again running in profit. Fourth trade in a row. So are you guys learning that how I'm managing the risk? Is this is the key points here, key takeaway from this live session that you can take, how to do the risk management, how to trade with the trend. Now I think that the price might break the daily support. Now if it breaks the daily support, we should be able to see that good move going on, and I'm holding it for bigger profit target. Because it's trending, so the directional bias hit that TP. I'm still holding it. So let's see what it is doing here. It's forming a liquidity candle in that area. There's a good move. So we hit another profit target on this one. Hit another profit target. Oh, boy. It's a good move happening. Okay, let's keep holding it. And have you guys got profit on the second one? So we have got another big profit. Thanks, coach. I secured full profit. Can I enter again? No, not now. Not now. It's out. I'm being disciplined on my risk management. Yeah, that's what it is, guys. As I mentioned, that you see all those trades. We had 4 trades. 2 of them didn't work out. Now, if you do the proper risk management and then hold the trade for bigger profit, then you ultimately see that you're gonna get all the things that you need from trading, right? It's all about the risk management. It's all about trading with the trend and proper risk management, learning with risk management, and that's the key in trading. That's the main thing that many traders miss, is to trade based on strategies, based on risk management. Okay, we see a bit of here, a bit of, again, a bit of liquidity trigger in that area. So we're out with that. Now I want to see that actually it's continuing. When the market gives opportunity, why shouldn't we take that, isn't it? Managing trade is really important. So we have had a 4 trade today. Now we need to see either the market might be preparing for rejection here or continuation for this drop. Okay, it may now get a kind of rejection Really curious to know that what kind of price action gold is forming in that area. To either it is preparing for a bounce, for a return to the major direction of the trend, or it's dropping down here. So from the daily, let me delete all of them today, and we can see that from the daily the price has tested the daily support, and then from the 15 minutes there is a long weak candle. For traders, so here what we can see, after this pin bar forming this double bottom, I think we might see the bulls might try to bring that price back towards the upside. So we see that there was a manipulation here, but it's not getting very stronger momentum. Still we see the downtrend is on, but it is not surprising to see that gold has got a reversal from here. There is a bit of bounce here. Do you think that gold is going to reverse? I think we might see that kind of rejection from here. It's the 1 hour candle. Thank you for your time, and I appreciate it. Very good trade today. Yeah, Usdjpy close the, yeah. Thank you very much. Thanks for You are the special and among the traders. Thank you. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. You guys are also doing very well. Thanks for doing the risk management, which is very important. Do I want to train plan to yeah, you can do that, Duka. Absolutely. Everyone welcome to learn more about the strategy that I am trading and also being part of Forex Trading Wizard Academy. If you want to learn that, be part of the community. Also, you can do that today by using the website link below this video in the description area, so that you can learn and grow as a trader. And in addition to that, also, if you are looking to join recommended regulated broker, you can find link below this video in the description. Also, I can share with you the link for that. So let me share with you the link. Here is the link that I have shared with you. So once you click the link, you can sign up and even start with a minimum capital. Okay, now here is a bit of choppy market. This is now again preparing. Okay, bearish price action continuation is on. We might see I think, daily support, break of support on the daily. Okay, this 15 minutes candle is a liquidity formation, so therefore we can see there is a bit of still bearish pressure. So on a single day we have opened 2 trades. That's quite a bit of movement that we have found. Okay, the trend is still downside. We can see there is still bearish continuation trend. Okay, big bearish candle. So quite a bit of movement in the market today, and we had a very good trading session. Like we do have every day very good trading session, including today. And I really appreciate your presence in this live session. I believe that you guys, learned a lot from here and found value in it. And in addition to that, if you want to explore more the strategy that I am trading or currently I'm teaching in the VIP community, I would recommend you to join today. If you want to explore more with me in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, where you can learn the strategy and also grow with me as a trader. Before I end the live session, if you want to also join the recommended broker, you can find a link below this video in the description area. So with that being said, guys, it was a great session. I will come on live again tomorrow. There is NFP, and you should be able to find a good trading opportunity with me in NFP as well. So stay tuned there to trade with me. Until that, see you again trading live tomorrow twice. Stay well, stay happy.